Hello everyone, welcome to another session with Amul. I'm waiting to see how many people have joined in. Just send a hi or a thumbs up if you can hear me and you can see the video perfectly fine. Just someone send a thumbs up or a hi or something. Hi everyone who's joined in now. Hello, great. Alright. So you can hear me, you can see me, that's great. Perfect. Hi everybody, welcome to the Amul India page. Welcome to the live session with Chef Simran. My name is Chef Simran Bindra. I am a chef from Pune and I am so thrilled to be doing this live session with Amul. When they approached me that they would want a live session to be done by me on their page, the first thing that came to my mind was butter, because I've been having been grown up in a Sikh household. We have butter on parathas, we have butter on bread, we have butter on everything basically. I've grown up eating Amul butter. So I was super thrilled and I said, since I have so much love for Amul butter, why not make that the star? So yeah, today we're going to make the Amul butter, the humble Amul butter, a superstar in our live session. Okay, so what? Before going ahead with our live, what I'm going to do is introduce myself, what I do, who I am, from where do I belong, so that you know a little bit about me. I am Chef Simran from Pune. I am the creative director to Bindra's Hospitality Services, which is a banqueting and catering company. And what we do here is feed a lot of people for weddings, caterings, institutional caterings. There are lots of companies that we work with. And what my job here is to make all the food fancy. So that's basically my job. So I take a recipe and change its look, its appearance, sometimes its flavors, just in order to make it fancy. So today I've decided to make Amul butter very fancy. So I think we have a beautiful number of audience. So we should go ahead and start out with the live. So what I'm going to be making is 3 different compound butters. Let's start out with the first one. What is a compound butter? It is basically butter which is the primary ingredient, and we add other ingredients in it to give it flavor, to give it more texture, to change its flavor appeal. So here I've got softened Amul butter. Now what is softened Amul butter? जब आप उसको निकाल कर फ्रिज से बाहर रख देते हो, आप उसे गर्म नहीं करते हो, बॉईल नहीं करते हो, माइक्रोवेव नहीं करते, आप उसे बस बाहर निकाल के रख देते हो for about 2 to 3 hours, and then it will be like this soft consistency. If you can see here, it's like soft, it's not melted. So we will take this softened butter, and this is about 120 grams of butter that I have taken here. Initially, when you're starting out to make compound butters, what you could do is start out with small quantities, say 50 grams or something like that. So you understand what flavors you are appreciating the most, you are liking the most, and then you can go about and make a bigger batch and keep it. Alright, so the first butter that we are going to make is a garlic herb butter. Now, how we will make this is, I have minced garlic, which is like tiny, finely chopped garlic. I'll tell you one trick of how to get the best flavors. Like, these are chef's tricks. How to get best flavors out of things like garlic and ginger. When you finally chop them, you will take it on a chopping board, put it down, and then with the back of your knife, you'll take your knife and just press it down. So what you're doing here is releasing all the juices of the garlic. So that's what we're doing here. And then I'm going to take this. This is about 2 tablespoons. I'll be putting out the recipe, so that's going to be there. This is about 2 tablespoons. So we put this there into the garlic. And since it's herb garlic butter, I'm going to be putting basil, parsley, and parsley in it. So yeah, and little rosemary too. So I'll just put those 3. I'll be putting down the quantities here so you can check them out. Little by little, I'll just add them. So we've got these 3. I will just keep this away. And now what you will do, ideally, what I prefer doing generally is putting it in a blender. So I don't really finely chop it. I just put mediumly chopped pieces into the blender so that it blends in all together. But today what I'm going to do, because I didn't want all that sound and commotion of a blender, I'm just going to mix it well. So what I'm doing is mixing our butter really very well. Hi everybody who's just joined in. अच्छा मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगी, बीच बीच में इंग्लिश में बात करूंगी, as you all like it. All right, we can do that. Greetings from South Africa. Thank you so much. I'm so glad you all have joined in. Okay, so now I've mixed my butter very well. मैंने बटर को अच्छे से मिक्स कर लिया है. अब इसको हम साइड पर रख देंगे. So I'll just show it to you on the camera. If you blend it, तो ये पूरा ग्रीन कलर का हो जाएगा. बट क्योंकि हमने ब्लेंडर में नहीं डाला है, मिक्सर में नहीं डाला है और ऐसे ही रख रहे हैं हम, तो it's not going to turn completely green. वो अमूल का येलो बटर का कलर रहेगा, बट उसमें आपको ऐसे हर्ब्स और ऐसे ग्रीन कलर का लिटिल दिखेगा. So that is your one herb butter number 1 done. So let me just, since I make things fancy, I'm just putting it here for you guys on this little plate. I will tell you all how to store this butter, how to use this butter after we've done making all 3 of them. So that, let's keep with the flow. Let's have all 3 done and gone, and then we'll go ahead and tell you how to use it, how to, store it. So our butter number 1 is done. Let's keep it aside. Now I'm going to go ahead and take another bowl. Same process, very simple. आपको वही चीज करना है. आपका softened butter लोगे आप, उसको आप डालोगे अपने बोल में, मिक्सिंग बोल में, put it in a mixing bowl. Again, I will repeat for everyone who is joined in live now. The thing is that आपका बटर सॉफ्ट होना चाहिए, melted नहीं होना चाहिए. Your butter should be softened and it hasn't to be melted. So what you will do is आप उसको रेफ्रिजरेटर से निकाल कर बाहर रख दोगे at room temperature for about 2 to 3 hours should be a good time, and then वो soft हो जाएगा, but it will not be a melted consistency. It will look something like this, like a yellow soft sludgy thing. So वो हो गया आपका बटर. अभी second butter जो हम बनाने वाले हैं, this is like my most favorite go-to thing to have because I love lemon. I love the fragrance of lemon, and I was told once, that lemon and oranges, they build appetite. The fragrance, the aroma, they build appetite. They work on you to build an appetite. So that's something I completely love. So what I am doing now is मैंने ये lemon लिया है. इंडिया में हमको जो normal नींबू मिलते हैं, that's fine. If you're abroad, anywhere abroad, I am sure you get like those beautiful big lemons. They have a more thicker zest. उनका zest बहुत, उसका जो बाहर का छिलका होता है वो बहुत मोटा होता है, तो उसमें से और flavor आप extract कर सकते हो. But this is perfectly fine. This works very well too. तो मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ? No fancy equipment. Just a simple grater, खिसनी जो होती है घर पे, वो लेकर. Now I'll tell you what is the right way to get it out. You're not supposed to. जब आप लेमन का फर्स्ट लेयर ग्रेट आउट करेंगे तो येलो निकलेगा, उसके बाद में व्हाइट रहेगा अंदर. वो व्हाइट इज बिटर. सो आप वो बिटर वाला चीज नहीं लेंगे, आप सिर्फ फर्स्ट लेयर ऑफ येलो लेंगे एंड टर्न करते जाएंगे. सो यू कैन सी मी द वे आई एम डूइंग इट. सो आई पुट वन out and I change the side. I grate and I change the side. I grate and I change the side. I grate and I change the side until I'm done with like the complete lemon. Because I love lemon so much, I will go ahead and do it for about 1.5 or 2 lemons. If you want, you can do with 1 lemon is more than enough. All right. Hi everybody who is joined in now. मेरा नाम क्या है? I am Chef Simran Bindra from Pune. So yes, hi everyone. So now we're going to put this in. So the thing is, you don't want to take the white part because it's going to make it bitter, and that's not what you want. You want only the yellow so that the fragrance enhances it more. Right, like right now, it smells like heaven here. It's so beautiful, the fragrance of lemon. It just is one lovely, lovely fragrance that I really love. All right, so we are done with 1 lemon. I think I'm going to go ahead and do 1 more. मैं एक और लेमन का जेस्ट निकालने वाली हूँ, तो मैं इसे ग्रेट कर रही हूँ. छिलके को आपने सिर्फ एक बार एक जगह पर ग्रेट करना है, फिर उसके बाद आपको एक सफेद पिक जैसे दिखने लगेगा, आप वो नहीं लेंगे, आप लेंगे नेक्स्ट साइड और उसको वापस ग्रेट करेंगे. तो ऐसे आप करके पूरा नींबू का एक जेस्ट ले लीजिए. मुझे नींबू का जेस्ट बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है, मुझे ऑरेंज जेस्ट भी बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है. सो आई गो अहेड एंड टेक 2. आप एक ही लेंगे तो भी चलेगा फॉर द इनिशियल्स टू चेक हाउ योर फ्लेवर पैलेट एक्सेप्ट्स व्हाट फ्लेवर्स. ऑलराइट, सो मेरा हो गया है यहाँ पर लेमन जेस्ट, एंड से तो आपको फ्लेवर डेफिनेटली आएगा, बट नींबू डालोगे, लाइक आप अगर लाइम जूस डालोगे तो फ्लेवर गेट्स मोर एनहांस्ड. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू. I am taking this same nimbu, cutting it into half and getting rid of all the seeds, and I'm squeezing this lime into it. हम क्या बना रहे हैं? What are we making? We're making compound butters. Compound butters क्या होते हैं? नॉर्मल बटर को लेकर उसमें कुछ ना कुछ मिक्स करके उसे टेस्ट बढ़ाना, उसका फ्लेवर्स बढ़ाने के लिए हम वो करते हैं, ताकि आप के लिए काम बहुत आसान हो जाए. जब आप कुछ क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, लाइक कोई डिश क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, तो आसान, इसे एक चीज डालकर आपका काम हो जाएगा. एक बटर, कंपाउंड बटर डाल के आपका प्रोडक्ट डालो और हो गया. वहीं अगर आप पूरा बनाने बैठोगे तो वो डालो, फिर वो गर्म होगा, कुछ और डालो, फिर वो गर्म होगा, कभी जल जाएगा, कभी कुछ होगा. दिस बिकम्स वेरी सिंपल. नाउ वन थिंग यू नीड टू रिमेम्बर कि आपका बटर फैट है, यू नो, इस लाइक तेल घी के जैसा है, और आपका लेमन जूस वाटर जैसे, तो उसको मिक्स करने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. तो आप उसे मिक्स अच्छे से कर लीजिए. टेक योर टाइम, आराम से मिक्स कीजिए. एंड इसके अंदर वी आर मेकिंग अ लेमन और चिली बटर. तो मैंने फ्रेश एलोपिनोज लिए हैं, आपके पास टिन एलोपिनोज मिलेंगे, आप वो लीजिए. आपको हरी मिर्च अच्छी लगती है, आप हरी मिर्च के साथ जाइए. फ्रेश रेड चिलीज टेस्ट फैबुलस, ओके, दे टेस्ट रियली गुड विद इट. सो फाइनली चॉप कीजिए आप उसे और उसे मिक्स कर दीजिए. सो दैट्स दैट. Mix it up well. For everybody who's just joined in, hello. I am Chef Simran Bindra and I am teaching you how to make compound butters. Compound butters are flavored butters. You can flavor them with absolutely anything and everything. And yeah, you can use them for a lot of things. So yeah, that's that. अभी आपका ये लेमन और चिली बटर बन गया है. Smells so good. I can't even, मैं आपको बता भी नहीं सकती हूँ कितना ब्यूटीफुल फ्रेग्रेंस है इसका. It's just amazing. I love it. So that's another fancy plate for another butter. There we go. And I'm going to place it there. मैं क्या वापर रही हूँ ये बटर को निकालने के लिए? दिस इज कॉल्ड अ स्पैटुला. जैसे एक शेफ का बेस्ट फ्रेंड या उसका बेस्ट इक्विपमेंट नाइफ होता है, आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव स्पैटुला फिर यू नो नाइफ का सिबलिंग है. इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. It's such a beautiful, beautiful equipment to use because look at my bowl now. It's absolutely empty. Everybody should invest in a spatula because you know everything will get out very easily. आपको silicone के बहुत easily online मिल जाएंगे. Invest in a spatula and you'll get everything off your normal equipment also. Your gravies, etc. अगर आप जब empty कर रहे हो रात को and all, it's a beautiful equipment to use because सब कुछ easily निकल जाता है. Alright, so we're done with 2 butters. अभी हम लोग एक और butter करेंगे. I will, hi Rohit, we will talk about the storage, कैसे store करना है, क्या करना है वगैरह, just after I'm done with the 3 butters. So let me just finish the 3rd butter and we'll go ahead and do that. So now I'm doing the 3rd butter. Now this is the most versatile butter that I like to make. Because it's versatile as बहुत ही हर काम का जो butter है, हर किसी चीज में चला जाता है. So I enjoy making this butter the most. So again मैंने softened butter लिया है. Softened butter है अमूल butter. It's salted. इसी because अमूल butter is salted, मैं किसी में भी salt नहीं डाल रही हूँ. या अगर आप salted butter नहीं यूज कर रहे हैं तो आपको salt डालने की जरूरत पड़ेगी. Alright. So now इस butter में हम क्या करेंगे? हम डालेंगे sun dried tomatoes. Sun dried tomatoes क्या होते हैं? टमाटरों को वो लोग धूप में सुखा देते हैं और उनका पूरा पानी निकाल लेते हैं. They're very easily available now in all stores. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm taking about, and मैंने इनको roughly chop किया. It's not very finely chopped. They're roughly chopped. You know, if you want to see how I've chopped them or how they look, I'll just show them to you. So they look like this. They're like red color, dark red color tomatoes, which are, you know, roughly chopped by me. You get them like, you get them tinned, you get them with water, you get them just like that. I prefer using these ones. So this is what I have put. Then another favorite ingredient of mine, and I think my mom also, she loves basil. Right from chai to every gravy, we have basil in it. So today we've got basil. So I'm going to put that in this. So here we go. It's finely chopped basil. Again, अगर आप फूड प्रोसेसर में कर रहे हैं तो आप सन-ड्राइड टमेटोज उसमें नहीं डालेंगे, आप सिर्फ बेसिल डालेंगे. और मैं स्वीट पैप्रिका डाल रही हूँ. स्वीट पैप्रिका चिली पाउडर जैसा ही है, बट द थिंग इज इट्स नॉट स्पाइसी. उसमें लाल रंग तो है बट फ्लेवर इतना ज्यादा तीखा नहीं होता है, तो वो कलर के लिए डाल रहे हैं। अगर आपको स्पाइसी फ्लेवर पसंद है आप नॉर्मल रेड चिली पाउडर भी डाल सकते हैं, इट्स परफेक्टली फाइन। सो आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग सम स्वीट पेपरिका, मैं अंदाजे से डाल रही हूँ एज मच एज आई नो वो कलर ही देने वाला है। सो जस्ट अबाउट half a teaspoon is enough. So that's that. And now we will mix it really well. आराम से मिक्स कीजिएगा क्योंकि इसमें अगर आप रेड चिली पाउडर डाल रहे हैं वो फ्लाई करेगा और आपके नोज आई सब में चला जाएगा. So very slowly, very carefully go ahead and mix it up. Why I like using sweet paprika is because this color with no hampering in taste. मतलब taste को तो कुछ होता नहीं है, but the color that it gives, it's so beautiful and it's a brilliant red. I really like it a lot. So like if you see, one of my things is completely green, then this will be white because it's got some specks of green क्योंकि हमने green chilies डाले, उसमें jalapenos डाले, और अभी ये beautiful एक red color है. I love using like different colors when or you know natural colors of course अपने खाने में, because it really makes you feel hungry. अगर आपके पास, अगर आप एक ही कलर देखोगे आपके खाने में, आपको इतना मजा भी नहीं आएगा खाने में, बट अगर 2-3 कलर्स हो आप बड़े चाव से वो खाना भी खा लोगे. सो दिस इज नंबर 3 एंड आई विल जस्ट पुट इट हियर एंड वी विल क्विकली सी हाउ वी कैन स्टोर इट. अभी इसका स्टोरेज मैं आपसे बात करती हूँ कैसे करना है. देयर आर मल्टीपल वेज यू कैन स्टोर दिस बटर. सो नंबर 1 बीइंग कि आप इसको आइस क्यूब मोल्ड्स मिलते हैं आपको, आप उसमें डाल दीजिए, रेफ्रिजरेटर में सेट कर लीजिए और फिर आप वापर लीजिए, राइट, व्हेनेवर आपको चाहिए. बट अगर आपको वो नहीं करना है, वन वे दैट आई लव स्टोरिंग माय you know butters is like sausages. So sausages are non-vegetarian, these are vegetarian, but they look like sausages. So what I have here is wax paper. You can use butter paper, you can use foil. What I am going to do is show you using wax paper what I do. So I'm going to take like a nice long rectangular shape, right? So मैंने ये ले लिया है. अभी इसको थोड़ा ध्यान से देखिए. It's a fun thing to make. I enjoy making compound butters because I like storing them like that. It's very cute, I feel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do my lemon chili butter. अभी आप इसे लीजिए और आप अपने वैक्स पेपर या बटर पेपर या फॉइल पे डाल दिए. Why I prefer wax paper over any other paper? क्योंकि वो स्टिक नहीं होता है while removing. बटर पेपर कभी कभी टेयर हो जाता है, वो इतना पतला होता है, कभी कभी क्रेविसेस में अटक कर टेयर हो जाता है, तो आप फॉइल भी वापर सकते हैं. दैट्स परफेक्टली फाइन. ओके, सो वैक्स पेपर अगर अवेलेबल हो, गो अहेड. क्लिंग फिल्म रैप perfect, works like a perfect bowl for making these. Okay, so now just pay attention on how we are doing this. अभी मैंने इसको बीच में रख दिया है. मैं इसको शेप करूंगी लाइक अ सिलेंडर, यू नो, इसको थोड़ा लंबा कर दूंगी एक वेरी नाइसली लाइक अ लॉग. आई विल शो इट टू यू नाउ. तो मैंने इसे ऐसे शेप कर दिया. यू कैन सी हियर इट्स शेप्ड लाइक अ लॉन्ग सिलेंडर. अब मैं ये बाहर का साइड जो है इसे अंदर लेकर प्रेस डाउन करूंगी. आई जस्ट शो यू हाउ. सो कैन यू सी इट हियर. मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने बाहर का लिया है और अंदर जाकर प्रेस डाउन कर रही हूँ. तो मैं इसे प्रेस डाउन कर रही हूँ नाइसली. धीरे धीरे प्रेस कीजिए ताकि वो जो अंदर हवा है वो भी बाहर निकल जाए. तो आपका हवा निकल रहा है. यू प्रेसिंग इट वेरी जेंटली क्योंकि नहीं तो वो पूरा स्प्लटर आउट हो जाएगा. Gently press it, get it nice and out, and then इसको रोल करेंगे हम लोग. रोल किया एंड किया लाइक अ टॉफी और अ सॉसेज. आपने इसको रोल कर लिया लाइक अ टॉफी, फिर एक साइड से ट्विस्ट कर देंगे और दूसरे साइड से वापस ट्विस्ट कर देंगे. ऑलराइट, सो ये हो गया आपका कंपाउंड बटर रेडी लाइक अ सॉसेज. और फिर इसको हम रेफ्रिजरेट करेंगे. मैं इसे रेफ्रिजरेट करके लाती हूँ अपने रेडी कंपाउंड बटर, ताकि मैं आपको दिखा सकूँ कि उसको जब आप खोलोगे तो वो कैसा दिखेगा. जस्ट बी राइट बैक. Alright, so this is how your compound butters will look, right? You can see ये हमारा लेमन चिली है which is completely white, looks really beautiful. ये हमारा रेड कलर का टमाटो और पप्रिका वाला है with basil in it. और ये है हमारा herb garlic. अब स्टोरेज बता दिया, कैसे बनाना है वो बता दिया. बट आप उसका करोगे क्या इस बटर का? इस बटर के बहुत सारे यूजेस है, स्पेशली फॉर वर्किंग वुमेन हु हैव लाइक a house to take care of, kids, then some have pets. Oh my god, it's such a trauma. So what, instead of like going through every day इतना सारा stress, and kids nowadays are so aware कि उनको क्या खाना है, और इंटरनेट इतना बून है बट बेन भी है, कभी कभी पिज्जा भी खाना है, पास्ता भी खाना है, और लॉकडाउन में बाहर से तो मंगा भी नहीं सकते. So what we are going to do is make a quick pasta with our compound butters. We'll make a garlic bread with our compound butters. और corn on the cob, भुट्टा, पूरा भुट्टा आप उसको बॉईल कीजिए, और उसके बाद में उसके ऊपर ये बटर खाली स्मेयर कर दीजिए, इतना डिलिशियस लगता है. आप ये बनाकर अंदर रख सकते हैं. इट्स अ बून. फॉर नॉन वेजिटेरियंस आप यही बटर लेकर, या इवन वेजिटेरियंस, आप बटर लेके उसको स्टर फ्राइड वेजिटेबल्स बना दीजिए सॉर्टेड. या फिर नॉन वेजिटेरियंस आपका प्रॉन्स, चिकन, वेरी कन्वीनियंटली आप ये बटर डालिए, वो डालिए, वर्क इज ओवर, जस्ट लेट इट कुक एंड you're done and dusted. कुछ और डालने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, राइट? So yeah, let's go ahead and start with my pasta. Or should we do the garlic bread first? Let me start. I'm going to start with the garlic bread. I'm just putting on my pan. While this heats, anyone has any questions that you all would like to ask me, I would be more than fine answering them. Why I'm looking down is because मेरा laptop नीचे है तो मैं उधर आपके questions देख रही हूँ. Please repeat the second and third butter. Great to see something different. Hi, thank you so much, Shweta Sharma. It's so glad to be sharing the recipes with you. Now compound butters, I will quickly repeat all 3 recipes while my pan heats. The first thing is आपको एक चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंटली ध्यान में रखनी है कि आप ये बटर को सॉफ्टन करेंगे, फ्रिज से निकाल कर बाहर रखेंगे फॉर अबाउट 2 hours 3 hours, तो तब सॉफ्ट हो जाएगा, पिघलेगा नहीं. और उसके बाद में आप उसमें different ingredients ऐड कर सकते हैं. Now for compound butters, there's like a huge variety of things that you can make. If you all want more recipes than these, you all can DM me on my Instagram. It is @chef Simran Bindra. Instagram, Facebook, कहीं पे भी आप @chef CHEF SIMRAN टाइप करेंगे और मुझे DM कर देंगे. I would be more than happy to share like a big PDF with more than about 20-25 recipes of compound butters, vegetarian and non-vegetarian. So the first recipe that we showed here was herb garlic butter, जिसमें हमने tiny pieces of garlic, rosemary, basil और parsley डाला. Second recipe was lemon or chili, which has got lemon zest. आपका lemon का बाहर का छिलका one scrape करके ही, without putting the pith in it, just one scrape and out. So that with half a lemon juice and jalapenos, finely chopped jalapenos. अगर आपको jalapenos नहीं मिल रहे हैं, आप हरी मिर्च वापर सकते हैं, फ्रेश हरी मिर्च, या फिर आप रेड चिली भी वापर सकते हैं. रेड चिली को अगर आप विनेगर में सोक करके ओवरनाइट रख के नेक्स्ट डे काटेंगे, उसका फ्लेवर इतना एनहांस हो जाएगा इस बटर में. यू कैन यूज दैट. एंड द थर्ड रेसिपी इज द फेवरेट वन. इट इज basil. We put basil, sun-dried tomatoes and paprika powder in it. अगर आपको स्वीट paprika नहीं मिलता है, रेड चिली पाउडर भी डाल सकते हैं, थोड़ा सा हल्का सा, सो वो कलर आ जाएगा, टेस्ट ज्यादा नहीं आएगा. ऑलराइट, सो मेरा पैन गरम हो चुका है. आई हैव garlic bread ready here. I'm just going to toast it. And acha, you all tell me, which butter do you all want me to use for the garlic bread? Should I use lemon or chili, or should I use the herb garlic? Okay, anyone saying any butters that they want me to use? Chalo, I'm waiting. Quickly, जब तक मेरी bread toast हो रही. Herb garlic. All right. So lots of herb garlic लगेगा. Yeah, garlic bread tastes best with garlic, I'm sure. So we're gonna just heat this a little. Yeah, perfect. And I'm using a brush now, but you can use your normal, your regular butter knives, etc. मैं इसे just slightly butter को spread कर रही हूँ. I hope you all are enjoying the live session. If you all are, please put some hearts and some thumbs ups. I would like to see those. So nice. मैं बहुत generous हूँ अपने butter के साथ because I love using butter. It is as fatty as it may be, but it's a very good source for if it's fortified for vitamin D, etc. So now मेरा butter गरम हो चुका है. मेरे मैं पैन पे टर्न कर रही हूँ इसको. So yeah, while that is toasting. Okay, hi everybody. Thank you, Lata. Alright, I hope you are enjoying these recipes. I'll just show you while this is being toasted how this will look. या जब तक ये toast होता है हम लोग कॉर्न भी निकाल लेते हैं. So this is how your butter is going to look. It looks pretty fancy, right? So quickly. मेरा कॉर्न ऑन द कॉब गरम हो रहा है. मेरा गार्लिक ब्रेड बन रहा है. Oh my god, it looks so delicious. You know what? My kitchen really smells so good right now. It just smells heavenly, beautiful. And Amul, it's the taste of India. It just makes things so beautiful. And like I mentioned in the beginning कि मैं जब मुझे अमूल ने अप्रोच किया कि आपको करना होगा ये या जो भी है, my first thing like अमूल is synonymous. अगर कोई अमूल बोलता है loudly तो मेरे दिमाग में बजने लग जाता है utterly butterly delicious Amul. So that's how my thing was that I have to make something with butter, making it a star. And since my job in my organization is to make things fancy, I'm trying to make butter fancy. Am I succeeding? क्या मैं कर पा रही हूँ butter को fancy? बताइए मुझे. Okay. How to sun dry tomatoes? You can do it actually. अभी तो नहीं because it's the monsoon season. तो पुणे में आज 2 दिन से तो बड़ा sunny है, thank God. But otherwise it's not too sunny generally अभी because it's a monsoon. What you can do is in the summers get your tomatoes, de-seed them, उनका seeds निकाल लो, उनको 4 में काट लो, देख 4 साइड से काट के अपने छत पर छोड़ दीजिए, like with a muslin cloth down and a muslin cloth on top of it. In about I think 4 to 6 days, if I'm not wrong, they should dry up completely and they should be perfect to use as sun-dried tomatoes. So yeah, that's that. So my garlic bread is ready. I'll just keep it on the side and I'll get my corn on the cob. Okay, so this is how my garlic bread looks. We will show you how it looks at the end again when the spaghetti is on it, on the platter. Here we are. I'll get my corn. ये रहा मेरा गर्मा गर्म कॉर्न. इसके लिए I think I'll use lemon chili butter because I want to use my sun-dried tomato butter for my pasta, my spaghetti that I'm making. So I'm taking a nice roundel. The best way to do this is take a fork, poke it in this, so it becomes like a stand for you, and आप इसे nicely smear कर लीजिए. It'll immediately melt. It's really warm, so I would like to just show it. See, it's melting. So it's so hot that it's melting and that's fallen down. But yeah, so you generously coat the entire, corn with this beautiful lemon chili butter. So that's done. It just gives it such a beautiful shine. I wish you were here to see it. I mean, I will try and show it. I don't know if the camera can catch it. So I'm done with this one. And what I will do is keep like one nice blob of this butter right on top on both of them. So that's that. I will keep this aside until we can, show you the plating with the spaghetti. And now let's go on to the spaghetti finally. Okay, so I'm just using a pan, regular pan, to make my spaghetti. Let my thing heat. I'm going to use olive oil. मैं थोड़ा olive oil डाल रही हूँ before putting my butter because I want the spaghetti to be coated really well. I hope all of y'all can hear me. Okay, lemon, chili, herbs. We have to powder the sun-dried tomatoes. No, you don't have to powder the sun-dried tomatoes. You use it as it is, like whole pieces. आप whole pieces को लेके cut करके finally वो आप use करेंगे. You don't need to powder them. So I'm putting in some olive oil. That's about 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil. And now I'm going to be putting the favorite butter of them all. My lemon chili butter. No, sorry, not lemon chili. basil and sun-dried tomato butter. So that's going in. I'm putting a generous serving. So now, since it has basil, since it has sun-dried tomatoes, since it has chili, little paprika smoked flavor देगा, मुझे और कुछ डालने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. It's so convenient. ये डालो, oil डालो, spaghetti डालो, and I'm done and dusted. And you know, if it's this serves very well for like a last minute guest scene. So पास्ता चढ़ा दो ऊपर गैस के ऊपर, तो वो हो गया. Sit down with your guests, chill with them, and you know your butter is there in there. So जब आपका you know आप उनसे बात कर रहे हैं, चिल कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद में जैसे उनका खाने का मूड हुआ तो 5 minutes में खाना रेडी. So this is a fun, quick fix guest food also. So I'm putting in my spaghetti in this. I'm not using a very large quantity. It's so funny, my siblings are standing here and they're going on smiling and grinning in front of me. So now I'm mixing this well, very well. अगर मैंने इसमें रेड कलर नहीं डाला होता तो this would be a great aglio olio which had like a nice basil flavor and had I put some more herbs. तो आप always अपने compound butters को अपने हिसाब से you know mix and match कर सकते हैं. One of my, for any non-vegetarians who would like to know what butter they can make, bacon, if you eat bacon, candied bacon को आप लेके tiny pieces chop करके with little honey in the butter, fab, it tastes delicious. I mean, it's just amazing. That goes very well with all your meat products. You can actually just sear meat in the butter. It tastes fabulous. You can add a nice herb in it, so you know the flavors are enhanced. Yeah, my pasta is ready. It's good to go. Perfect. So you just have to heat it because मेरा spaghetti तो ready ही था. Any tips on how to make spaghetti or pasta the right way, or to have them open and nice? One, add oil when you're boiling. Let the water come to a boil and then put your pasta in it. Let it boil and it will come up on its own. When it's reached the top of the water, that means it's ready. And when you get it out, इमीडिएटली आप उसे ठंडे पानी से धो लीजिए तो उसका कुकिंग प्रोसेस स्टॉप हो जाएगा. और उस पर थोड़ा ऑलिव ऑयल डाल के मिक्स करके आप रेफ्रिजरेट कर दीजिए फॉर अबाउट 3 or 4 days. इट्स परफेक्टली फाइन टू यूज. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज रेडी एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू लुक फॉर माय nonetheless. I'm going to put this spaghetti in here. Okay. Yeah. My tongs. Take my spaghetti out. You may want to add some salt to it if you want to. That's each to their own. I don't think I require salt in it because I am not a very high on salt eater. So that's perfectly fine for me. पर अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको सिर्फ बटर का सॉल्ट सफाइस नहीं करेगा, you can go ahead and add some more salt. That will be great. Alright. So this is this. I'm just going to go and nice and round. Yeah, looks delicious. And I'll just put the herb in it. I'll just put some basil on top. I couldn't find the basil in the refrigerator, so I'm just putting some sun-dried tomatoes. For anyone who wants to see how the sun-dried tomatoes look, this is how they look. They're like pieces of tomato which are dried by the sun. And yeah, we're going to put this on top here. And that's ready and delicious. So what we've made today are 3 herb butters, one of which is inside right now. I showed you how to sausage it. So this is how your sausages will look. Your beautiful pasta and garlic bread with these herb butters. And your corn on the cob, which the butter has completely melted. So I hope you can see how amazing the shine is on top. And they all taste super fabulous. Trust me on that. I'm taking questions or anything for the next 5 minutes. So y'all can go ahead and ask me anything. I will just request my sister to make the camera a little fine because it's gone all topsy-turvy. A little down. Thank you. And yeah, anyone has any questions? Can you please tell what is the scissor you... Okay, so this is like a salad tong thingy that I have. It's, it's used to pick and mix salad dressing with salads. So I find it very convenient to pick spaghetti with it, specifically spaghetti, because it's single strands, तो वो आसान हो जाता है उससे pick up करके नीचे लाना. If you have 2 of those wooden salad, like those mixers, you can use those, and those can help too. You can use 2 forks also, and that will be perfectly fine. Any more questions? Anybody? Amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please DM me the recipe. If anyone wants the recipes and more recipes, you can DM me at Chef Simran Bindra on Instagram or Facebook. I can send you the PDF. Alright, you can follow me on my Instagram handle and my Facebook handle because I keep posting a lot of recipes, a lot of fun stuff all out there. And yeah, I would love to have you there. You can comment there, tell me if you want any specific recipes that you want me to share. I would love to do those. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much. I'm looking forward to be here more soon. If not here, I do a lot of live sessions on my own channel on Instagram. So that's at Chef Simran Bindra. You can go and follow me there. I will definitely like to see you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. I'm glad you liked the presentation. All right, fabulous dishes. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm so glad you all enjoyed it. I'm so glad. Any questions? I'll just go up and just have a look as to any questions that have come in. Okay, so I don't think there are many questions. I'm glad I was explaining really well. Alright, so if you all make these recipes, don't forget to tag Amul India and Chef Simran Bindra again at the rate CHEFSIMRANBINDRA, Chef Simran Bindra. On my Instagram and my Facebook, I would love to see what you all make. You all can make any combinations that you like. It is the most versatile thing to do. I mean, butter loaf, आपके favorite flavors डालो and go ahead and cook with it. It is so amazing that Amul has such a versatile product. In fact, all of their products are so versatile. Cream, milk. Now that they've launched this great range of like frozen fruits that I saw recently, I was like, wow, this is so amazing. So yeah, I would love to see your recipes, see what you all did. So please do tag me. And yeah, thank you so much for enjoying the session. I thoroughly enjoyed taking the session with all of y'all. I hope you all enjoyed. From all the comments that I'm seeing, I'm really happy that everybody enjoyed it a lot. One thing before I go that I would like to say, something that I always say to everybody: eat simple, eat healthy and delicious, but always eat stylish. Cause my friend, life is too short to eat boring. So make everything stylish, even your simplest garlic bread, right? And Amul is actually the taste of India. So let us all enjoy Amul and its amazing flavors. And yeah, I hope to see you all soon. Thank you so much for all the love that you all have been pouring in the comments. It was such a pleasure to be here. Thank you so much, Amul, for this amazing opportunity. Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. Thank you, everybody.